Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to plan your e-commerce growth for the next quarter. And I know, although it's really straightforward to create Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns, it can be really hard to grow your business without a solid strategy, right? Now, this strategy depends on the phase your business is in on a certain channel, right? So it's not that every business should start by the same step. Every business is different and every business starts from a different level, right? So for instance, in the agency, we have defined three levels we have been using over the years to help our clients to help them forecast what to do next and achieve their goals. So the problem and the main cause for a strategy to fail is that they want results right away. So they say, hey, I'm here and I want to be here by, I don't know, next month. And probably there are a lot of natural steps that they are missing, and that's why they cannot achieve their goals. So in this video, I'm going to show you why these phases are going to help your brand do just that. So let's start by the first phase. It's phase 0. We call it phase 0 because you can be an existing business or not. You can be a new one or an existing one. We don't care about that, right, for this. The thing is that the platform you're going to advertise on is new for your business and you don't know what to expect. So let's put it in an example. You have a clothing brand and you have done for many years Google Ads, but you have never done Facebook and Instagram ads, and you want to start with an agency or with an internal team or whoever do Facebook and Instagram ads, and you have no idea what to expect. So what do you have there? You have many question marks. CPA question mark, cost per click or CPC question mark, CTR question mark, conversion rate question mark, audiences that will perform the best question mark, copy that will resonate the best among the target audience question mark. So you see this, right? You have a lot of question marks that you need to actually figure out. So this phase is about discovery. We are going to discover what we can expect from these platforms for many things we are going to put together. So for instances, we'll need to go heavy on testing. We'll test audiences, we'll test campaigns, we'll test copy angles, pain points, factors, creatives. We'll need to test many things. We might even need to test funnels. So in this case, it is important if you're an existing business or not, and if you have a proven funnel or not. So for instance, if you're running Google Ads and you're running a current funnel with a landing page, many steps, and you know what more or less what to expect from that conversion funnel, then that's great because you'll know that more or less that funnel will work well for Facebook as well, right? So it's one less variable that you have. But otherwise, you'll need to test the funnel here as well. So there are many things you will need to test. So we will focus month number 1 on analyzing the business, analyzing if you have existing channels, what works best there, what can you extrapolate to this new channel, right? What creatives work, audiences, copy, and many other things, and of course a funnel, and then put together an educated guess, but it will be a guess in the end, and test, right? You need to test. I got in mind here about getting a higher ROAS, of course, if that's the case, even better, but I will be focused on testing many things so we know what works. So test audiences on one end, and separately test copy, separately test funnels, not all together, because that way you're going to know what's working and what's not, right? So that's phase 0. Phase 1 is when you actually have run something on that platform. In this case, let's say Facebook and Instagram ads, but the results you're getting is just not for you. It's just not working, right? So you need to start by doing an audit on whatever you have run in the past and didn't work, and try to analyze what your competitors are doing and go heavy on analysis, right? And then try to test something new to make things work, because sometimes the channel might not be for you, or sometimes the channel might be for you, but what you have tried in the past wasn't the best, or it wasn't the best time of the year, right? It depends on many things, but always make sure that you have the right budget, right? We have a whole other video on that, but make sure you have the right budget to achieve the right goals that you have. So I can focus here on, again, analyzing the numbers, what numbers you need so these to make these platforms successful, right? What CPA, what cost per click, what conversion rate, what ROAS. I analyze why the other ad campaigns you have run in the past that didn't work, what they have in common, if they have run enough or with enough budget to actually assess if they haven't worked or not. So basically, I will focus on that, and then I will try to iterate from there. Phase number 2 is the last phase. In this case, you have run things successfully on a certain platform and you're just looking to switch agencies, or you're just looking to scale and you're stuck there. Something's working really well with your current ad spend, but then whenever you try to scale things up, things are not working well and you decrease the ad spend again, or you're terrified of increasing the ad spend, and you're not alone, believe me, because you don't know how to do it without sacrificing the current great results you're getting. So you want a professional team to jump right in and to help you grow to the next level, right? So there might be a few things to do there. One, of course, it's highly likely that there are areas of opportunities to keep growing on that platform. And two, it's a complementary one, by the way. You can actually try to complement the current platform with more, right? We have clients starting with only Google ads or Facebook ads, and then we add in the other ones, so Facebook, Instagram, and Google ads, and then those are working really well, and we add, I don't know, Twitter ads or TikTok ads, Pinterest ads, whatever platform we believe that will work best for them. Okay, so it's really, really important that you put work here, that you know the phase you're in, and you plan ahead the next move. Again, phase 0, you have no idea what to expect, so you need to focus the first 3 months on testing. Month 1, test. Month 2, iterate, leaving the winning combinations of the first month, and month 2, try to find some consistent, let's say, campaigns giving you consistent results, and try to scale it up a little bit. Phase 1, you have tried a platform for a long time, but it's not working for you. You know what to expect, but those metrics just don't work. So you're having, I don't know, you're getting $100 CPA and you need a $50 CPA, and you kind of decrease that. So you need to analyze and go creative on how to make it work. Phase 2, you know that everything is working for you on that platform and you need to scale, but you can't, or you're afraid of doing so, and you need a professional team to help you scale. And you also can evaluate expanding to other platforms. Okay, so this was it. I hope this was useful to you. And again, if you feel that this is too much for you and you're too busy and you want to do what you know how to do best and let a professional team to take care of this, please reach out and we'll help you out. Okay, thank you.